For the first time ever?
Yes.
Do you think you'll like it? Do you like the Mcrib? Here goes Spencer. He's gonna take a...
really messy.
It's messy?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's good.
It's good? Do you give it the ribwich a big thumbs up or a big thumbs down?
Big up.
What's your favorite part of it?
Must be the meat.
Do you like the meat? Do you like the flavor?
Yeah.
The barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
That's a good eating sandwich. You're gonna have another bite, huh?
That's so good.
It's so good. You're gonna have some more ribwiches?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do when the ribwich goes away? Because it's only at McDonald's for so long.
Oh. I guess I'll go home and cry.
You're gonna go home and cry?
I would never do that.
You would never do that? What are you gonna do then?
I don't know.
There will be no more ribwich. What would you do?
I don't know.
Huh.
I'll be sad.
You'll be sad? Alright, you gotta tell them if they like this video to give us a thumbs up and a like. Say if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and a like.
Give us a thumbs up and give a like.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And we'll see you next time
And we'll see you next time.
on Rod Doing Stuff.
Rod's doing stuff.
Alright.